Just imagine the place being covered entirely in white.
And now came the second blow. This is crazy. My husband was really annoyed and furious this time.
A road trip from Germany through Austria, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, and back.
This is the sign that you need to watch out for. Yay, super, we got it! Republic of Austria welcomes you.
What is life without surprises and challenges? They can sometimes ruin your happiness if you're unprepared, but if you can detach yourself from the situation, you can perhaps respond better than just reacting to it. After we entered Austria, we wanted to give a call to our apartment host to say that we'll be arriving in 90 minutes to collect the keys. And their response was shocking. The apartment host said that they did not have the place for us to stay for the day. And all of a sudden we felt stranded and we had no place to stay, and we had the our 7-year-old daughter with us. And this was just the beginning of our hours long struggle with booking.com. It was around 3 p.m. when we called the booking.com customer support, and most of our time was spent just waiting on the line for someone to pick up an answer. Tweets tagging booking.com on Twitter and the direct posts on Facebook did not do any trick. After a long wait, we got a confirmation that this can be rebooked and any additional costs incurred will be repaid. But still, the challenge was to find a place within 150-kilometer radius for the same night and without being crazily expensive. We found one, booked it on the same website, got the online confirmation, and then called up to confirm that. And now came the second blow. The apartment host lady said that this apartment was not available too. And we were like, this is crazy. We just got the online confirmation from the website. And she was like, no, sorry, you just need to call booking.com. By then, 2 hours passed since we parked on a highway side parking and then began our endless call sessions with booking.com. All that we could do was just to stay on the line for more than 45 minutes before we could speak again and complain about our second fail. When the customer care personnel said that we had to wait for another 30 minutes for this issue to be resolved, my husband was really annoyed and furious this time, and he rebuked the guys on the line for their response, since they did not absolutely consider the fact that it was almost 3 hours since the issue started and we are waiting for a solution, and that we are a family with a kid. Finally, after 3+ hours of wait, we booked an apartment on our own. It was double the price of the initial booking for the night, but we did not have a choice. The best thing is, we booked it directly on our own and did not use the booking.com website. This apartment is called the Foxy Obertauern Apartments. The link for this apartment is provided in the description box below. The booking.com said that they would refund the excess cost that we have incurred, but even after 40 days and 5 emails, we still have not got a refund. And we are hoping that this would be the last of the nightmare for us on our road trip. As my husband loves to say, this is a bad experience to go through, but a good story to tell.
After hours of struggle, we finally came to Foxy Apartments. It is in Obertauern, Austria. Obertauern is basically a ski resort in Austria, and we have come to this nice little studio apartment. As you can see, it costed us double, but the facilities are really very good here. So this is the view of the kitchen in our apartment. There is this microwave and a small kitchenette, as you can see, and we had a lot of shelves here. And moving on further, we have a little dining area and also a television set, and to the right there is a living space. There are 2 beds, one for the child and one is an adult bed. So, and then moving further, you can see this is the bathing area. We don't have a door for the bathroom. That's very funny. I think we have to sing while bathing, and luckily we have a door for the toilet. Yes, that's our cozy little apartment for this night. So this is the view from our apartment's balcony, and to the right side you can see the lovely Alps mountains, and it is really good. And I wanted to take this video actually the previous day itself, but since we arrived it was almost dark outside and I couldn't take it, so this was taken the next day morning. See how beautiful it is, the clouds and the mountains, they're so lovely, and it was so calming and so quiet around. And just see the lush green mountains and the trees. It is so calming and soothing. So I wish I could come here once again during the winter to see the snow-capped mountains. Just imagine the place being covered entirely in white.
Hi guys, so this was the apartment that we finally got to stay in, Foxy Obertauern. So from one of the lady here, we just came to know that this was 1,700 meters from above the sea level, and it is a pretty, so it's a very nice apartment actually. So after 3.5 hours of wait on the Parkplatz, after 3.5 hours of wait in the parking lot, we finally got this apartment. It was really good. Our stay was wonderful and we loved it here. So at the entrance of this Foxy Obertauern apartment, we have the self check-in system. We can check in into this hotel using our debit card or credit card. So this is very good. I find it very good, especially during the COVID times. So after the process, we can finally disinfect our hands. So after you make the payment with the help of your card, you get your room keys. So like from here you get the room keys and you can like check in and have a nice stay.
So this is the external view. I'm standing outside our Foxy apartments. So this is the apartment as you can see.